I stay green like the Hulk. Why, people? Why? Because I got this kind of stuff. Stuff like this in my portfolio. Keep it green, keeping it green, keeping it green, keeping it green, keeping it green. So in this video, what am I going to talk about? The hidden gem stock. Yes, people, this is why I told you to come here, so you can see something like this. What stock is this? What is this about? Well, look right here, people, for the year. What? Only up 348%? Yay, yay! What? Okay, people? Money in your sleep when it's like that, okay? This is what I'm talking about. And in this video, I have NIO. There's NIO News. Yes, there's NIO News. I'm here minding my business, and then, NIO News. So we're going to talk about that. So in this video, we're going to get into all of that. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, keeping it green, making that money and sharing it. I was trying to mind my business this morning, people. Trying. No, definitely not. And so I said I have to share some NIO News because I was just looking over my other stuff. What? CLS. Yeah, this ticker symbol here. It's the 8. It's outperforming, right? This is the company here, Supply Chain Solutions. Okay, right there. You can look at that. Take your time. All righty, take your time. Look at that. Oh, so they're in Canada? Oh, the address, Ontario? All righty, let's keep it moving because time is of the essence. I know people want the NIO News. So why is this one of my hidden gems? I mean, I don't hear people on the internet talking about this company. Do you? I don't hear it. I know I have it, and I know I'll have more because this is a way you buy a little bit of this, and you're going to make some money. It's up 300. I mean, of course, past performance doesn't mean that it's going to happen again. The past doesn't mean it's going to happen in the future, but it doesn't mean that it can't. It can still happen in the future. Yeah. I mean, come on now. So, hey, I like companies like this. What is Kramer saying? Don't even give a crap what Kramer is saying, people. So anyway, let's keep moving on. Let's look at the chart. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Alrighty. So here we go with the chart. Before I even get into the chart, look at this. Earnings. You see this earnings here? Green, green, green. No surprises here. Okay. It's always, at least it's exceeding whatever everybody thinks it's going to do. So it's never like missing. It's always beating the earnings, right? And then down here, also right side of the screen. Look at this. Look at this. All green, people. There's no fight. There's no fight with this. Okay, so Tesla right here, we're having all these issues. See, all this, right? All this when we look back, downward movement and stuff like that. So this is why I want to show some hidden gems where it's like, okay, a couple of dollars, people, and hey, then we're doing good. So now let's say, we see how it kind of topped off here before in this area, all right, around the $50 level. So we know there's some hesitancy here. If it ever drops down in here again, buy. Definitely not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. We know this, okay? I'm a comedian at best, So if this was a house, this would be the ceiling, and we hit our head against it, and we hit our head against the ceiling again, and we did again until finally we popped above. So when we do this, this should be a floor eventually, if it comes back down to this price. It doesn't have to. See, we had a little bit of hesitancy here too. It could also come back around here, okay? See? $52, okay? Around there. So say 53. This could be an area to pick some up to buy. I'm not saying buy all the way up here because right now we're trading at $57.93, okay? When it's up high, like there's no support. The moving average is here, here, and here. I like buying on support. Yes, support. What about that? And you see how this purple line is here? Did it just touch it? No, sometimes the stocks go under it just to make us a little bit crazy, like get us scared. Like, oh, are we falling now? Are we going to fall here? Nope, boop, faked you out. So that's why I'm saying, so like think of it as zones, as areas. Like, so anything in here is kind of good, okay? Because it may barely touch this and keep going, or it may come below it a little bit to fake you out, to scare you. So this is kind of like buy zone, okay, if we get into there. So you can set some alerts for that. So I just wanted to show this hidden gem. All right, hidden gem. So now we're going to move on. NIO, what? NIO's in the damn news again. What? Gosh. Yes, yes. You know we love it. You know we love it. NIO is in the spotlight. All right. China preps to invest in solid state battery research. Okay, shining more light on this. Look at this right here. Hold on. Look at this. Doot, doot. See that? Means bad news for China. For Tesla. I said China. For Tesla. So I was like, oh, wow. So when I was just, minding my business this morning, I saw that. I said, let me share. So the Chinese government is investing heavily in this domestic battery production. Alrighty. Okay. Sources say it plans to what? Distribute how much? 830 million in state funds, okay, among different companies. And one recipient is backed by Chinese EV producer NIO. So things are happening here. I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to move on because I don't want this video to get too long. People don't like that when the video's too long. So take this in. Take all this in. You could always screenshot, come back later, and they're saying what's happening with the stock and everything. I want to read this part right here. Okay. So, by the way, China enjoyed an undisputed place at the top of the global battery market. Okay. Now it's poised to further its global dominance. Oh, I love the word global dominance as several of its leading companies benefit. So, and then here we go. Solid state batteries hold the promise of improved safety, a longer lifespan, and faster charging compared with conventional lithium ion batteries. Say what? Throwing shade at the Tesla group. What? Okay. And that, oh my God. And that use flammable liquid electrolytes. But mass adoption remains somewhat, some way off. Well, hold on. I'm still tired. I was up late. Okay. Remains some way off due to constraints in raw material availability. Okay. Intricate manufacturing processes and the resultant high costs. Alrighty. So, but I want to show you this. Okay. Here we go. Now this too. I was just trying to mind my business and I was getting smack in the face with all this NIO news. Okay. So NIO charges ahead, reportedly partners with who? These people right here. Yes, those people. Okay. So expanding dominance in Chinese EV market. I love that. So this is some good news. I'm telling you, I was just trying to mind my business, just managing my portfolio, keeping it green and all that. And I said, wait, let me share this with some people. So NIO charging network now reportedly includes, so the network now includes them. Alrighty. Okay. As they seek to capitalize on one of China's largest EV charging networks. Alrighty. So now this is what I'm hearing. So the NIO Energy arm and IM Motors forged this partnership to link their charging networks, right? So now when they're doing this, are they going to be like, hold on, let's just keep going down. Okay. Consequently, IM Motor users can access, and utilize the NIO charging stations through the IM Motors app or the company's onboard charging map. So you could do keep reading. IM Motors software will provide real-time access to NIO's charging pals, enabling users to view location, price, status, and usage details. Additionally, users can carry out operations like scanning QR codes, charging, and making payments seamlessly through the platform. Oh, okay. What is this right here? All right. NIO boasts one of China's largest charging networks. Okay. Let's say that again. Some people didn't hear me. Repeat. NIO boasts one of China's largest charging networks, comprising of 3,863 stations and 22,551 charging pals. Boom! Right there. Future looks good. Okay, so that's great. Alrighty. And so then I also saw this. I was like, people, what's going on? What's going on? Why so much NIO news right now, right? NIO to launch flagship UV EL8 in Europe on when? Papa, June 13th. What? June 13th. All this stuff is happening. All this stuff is happening. Okay, so I just wanted to shout y'all out, let you know things are happening. Things are happening here. You could just, scroll through that. Okay, on your own time. Read that. I can't make the video too long, guys. Sorry. People don't like that. So anyway, just wanted to make sure I shouted you guys out. NIO is having some little waves in the news right now. Alrighty? If you like the news, click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Remember the hidden gems. I'll always have the Easter egg, that egg symbol in my thumbnails, okay? When I'm going to show a stock that's over 200, 300, 400%.